Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt stressed out at the airport, long lines, expensive food, lost luggage, you're not alone. But don't worry. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 smart airport travel tips and tricks that will save you time, money, and energy. So let's get started. Tip 1, check in online. First tip, always check in online. Most airlines open online check-in 24 hours before your flight. This way, you can skip the long check-in lines at the airport and head straight to bag drop or security. Plus, you get a better chance to pick your favorite seat. Tip 2, pack a smart carry-on. Second tip, pack your carry-on wisely. Always keep one extra outfit, chargers, medications, and important items in your carry-on. If your check bag gets delayed, you'll still have what you need. Remember, liquids must be under 3.4 ounces and placed in a clear zip bag. Tip 3, keep documents organized. Third tip, keep your travel documents organized. Use a small folder or travel wallet for your passport, boarding pass, and ID. Trust me, you don't want to be that person digging through their bag at security while everyone behind you is waiting. Tip 4, security check. Hacks. Fourth tip, make security checks easier. Before you reach the line, remove metal belts, coins, or large jewelry. Place your laptop and liquids in a separate tray. A little preparation saves you from extra screening and keeps the line moving fast. Tip 5, free Wi-Fi and charging station. Fifth tip, use free Wi-Fi and charging stations. Most U.S. airports offer free Wi-Fi. You just need to log in. Also look for charging hubs to power up your devices. And always carry a power bank as a backup, especially for long layovers. Tip 6, save on food and water. Sixth tip, save money on snacks and water. Airport food is crazy expensive. Bring your own snacks and carry an empty water bottle. After security, refill it at water stations for free instead of buying overpriced bottles. Tip 7, arrive early. Seventh tip, arrive early. For domestic flights, aim to arrive 2 hours early, and for international flights, at least 3 hours. Early arrival means less stress, shorter lines, and more time to relax before boarding. Bonus tip, use airport apps and maps. Bonus tip, download airport apps or use Google Maps inside airports. They'll guide you to your gate, lounges, restrooms, or even duty-free shops. No more wandering around confused. Outro. And that's it. My top 7 airport travel tips and tricks to make your journey smoother, faster, and cheaper. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop your favorite airport tip in the comments. Thanks for watching and safe travels.